Hey everybody, Lance McKinnon here. We're going to replace a dash on a 2004 Cobalt 262 model, and this dash was needing replaced. It was faded wood, which I'm about to show you. Company down in Florida, and I'll give you the website, is the one that made it, and they are incredible. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then what I've always been wanting to know is, how do you replace those dashes? I mean, what all does it take? So I got a guy that's a master electrician on this, and we're going to go see what it's all about and see exactly how it's done. So here you have the old dash. You can see it's faded around the sides. Believe it or not, these are all plugs that you could be able to unplug, and then you have your gauges to be able to take out, and they go back in. Here's the old gauges. This one was not too bad, but here is the new one. You can see it's not too bad, but it'll match up everything else. The other one is right here. Let's see. I haven't wrapped it yet, but it's got the same. It's got the illuminated red backing for the LED, which that is for this one actually. And then I added an extra switch, which we're putting in right now, that will see how that looks. So here's the inside of the dash with the wires all in here, cabling you plug into, or in the back of the control box. There were 4 mounts here, as you can see. And then on the other side, the same thing with the plugs, everything else. So the dash, same way, just with the plugs. And of course, under the front seat for this boat, and I would probably be assured that it was about the same on the other boats, but it's got access under that front seat. It's got a little wall panel you just put up there, but anyhow,